Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by inspecting the VGA connector visually and by feel for damage. Focus on the 15-pin plug and look for bent, pushed, or missing pins. Check the thumb screws for tightness on both ends of the cable and adapter. Test with a known good VGA cable and a second monitor if available. Swap any passive adapters and confirm the GPU output is set to analog RGB. Note whether a single color is missing or all colors are distorted. This pattern will guide the next repair steps. Power off and unplug all devices before touching the connector or pins. Use 90% isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free swab to clean contacts for about 5 seconds, then air dry. If a pin is slightly bent, use small tweezers to realign it slowly and gently. Do not force severely damaged pins, replace the cable instead. After cleaning and straightening, reconnect and tighten the 3 thumb screws to ensure good mating. Power on and recheck colors to verify improvement before further steps. If cleaning and pin alignment do not restore correct color, replace the cable immediately. Basic VGA cables typically cost between $0 and fix most failures. When reinstalling, use a shielded cable or add a ferrite bead to reduce interference. Keep cable length under 5 meters to preserve analog RGB signal quality. Confirm GPU output is set to analog and adjust monitor color presets if needed. If color problems persist, use a digital adapter or consult a technician for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.